So guys, normally whenever you see this yellow line crossing over the green line and the red line, it is time to buy. So right now you can see the yellow line. This is the yellow line over here. You can see this is yellow line. This is the red line, and this is the green line in the middle. So whenever you see the yellow line, which you have seen right now, you can see the yellow line trying to cross over the green and the red line. It is time to buy. So in this particular tutorial, what you're going to be looking out for is anytime we find the yellow line crossing over the green line and the red line, it is time to buy. That means the price is actually trying to go up. All right, so let's go back and see all other times the yellow line has tried to cross the green line and the red line. So you can see on this area, this place on this chart, this is for people who like to trade with their phones. Okay, so on this place you can see the yellow line is, in fact, the yellow line crossed the red line and the green line. Whenever the yellow line crosses the red line and the green line from down to up, it is time to buy. You can see the market actually went up, and this is just beautiful because you would have taken your profit at this point in time. All right, so let's look at other massive examples. You can see this other example on this area. The yellow line broke out, broke out from bottom to the top, breaking out these three other lines, and of course started going up. Now most people will be asking, oh, how did you set this indicator? So let's try it with Bitcoin. Now Bitcoin is actually on a downtrend, but let's see an uptrend for Bitcoin. So for Bitcoin, let's come down to this area. So you can see, okay, let me go to a very visible place. So you can see this area where Bitcoin went up so well, where Bitcoin pumped so hard. You can see the yellow line broke the green line and the red line, and this means the market went up from $83,000 where it was to about $111,000. Now this strategy is very important that you learn it as a beginner. All right, this helps your trading so easy, all right, for you, and help you get more correct trades. All right, so how do you set these three lines up? The first, I've taught this before, okay, but the first way to set it up is to click on this settings icon you can find here. When you click on the settings icon and you click on where you find the indicators, and you click on indicators, you click on where you find the moving average, and this is just simple, and this is where you find the lines. Okay, set this guy as 7, set this guy as 14, set this guy as 28. Make sure here is color yellow, color green, and color red. That is just how to set up this whole simple thing. Once you've set it, there's no place to click on confirm. Just go back in this area, click on back. All right, so once you have set it, you are going to find it on your chart. What you're just going to do when you have set it is to click on this way, we see MA. Click on the MA. Make sure none other things are clicked. All this place, no one else should be clicked. You can see, make sure only MA is showing white. All other ones should be unclicked. So that is exactly how you can make it stand out. So for example, you can see only the MA right now is showing white. Okay, that means MA is active. Now once you have done that, you will see a beautiful strategy for people who love using their phone to trade. You can use this strategy anytime you like. All you have to do is to just monitor the three lines carefully. Wait patiently until you have confirmed that the yellow line has crossed the green line. You can see cross the green line at this point, cross the red line at this point, and broke out to this area. Once you have seen it outside, it is time to enter into a buy, buy, action and all of that. And it is the opposite of sell, but we'll talk about sell on another time. But as per what I believe, selling depends on what you are doing. Okay, you don't have to wait till you get to the top. You can just wait to grab maybe 5 or 10% profit, and you leave the market and you look for another signal. I believe you don't have to wait. It's only people who are not experienced that will wait until this point. Okay, you don't have to wait from here to here. You don't have to wait. When you have gotten once you have seen the sign, just wait it out. Maybe you have gotten like 3 or 4%, you can sell. 3 or 4% profit, or 5% profit, you can sell, especially if you're a day trader. All right, this is for people who use their phone. So you can go as far back as possible. You will see different strategies where different points where the strategy worked. All right, now this is this is a fresh breakout. You can see the market pumped up. So right now, look at the point where Bitcoin is right now. It is not doing well. You can see the yellow line is not even crossing. So this is not a time to buy, especially for day traders. It's only going to be a time to buy if you want to hold Bitcoin for a longer time. All right. For now, Bitcoin is actually falling so hard. All right. So you can go out. You can go check out other other cryptos to see when it's the best time to buy or a good time to buy. Like I spotted one right now on my TradeFi, and this is um I spotted one right now on my TradeFi, and that is the one I showed you at the beginning of this class. All right, so I'm going to quickly check if I can find that guy again, so I can explain it to you about how it works. Okay, so basically, if I can't find it, what you have to do is you just keep using the strategy, and I shared how to set it up, and it is just amazing, guys. It is just sweet. It's okay. I think I found the trade file, so I'm just going to quickly click on, because I was monitoring this gold. I was hoping it's a good time to buy. So right now you can see it is the yellow line is actually crossed, and I feel it's a good time to enter, for anyone to enter, because the uptrend is actually coming, and it just be very beautiful to see, even though it has not materialized yet, but I believe it is coming quickly, and of course anybody can actually enjoy it particularly. So guys, I'm going to leave you right here, and you can use this strategy anytime you like, and also enjoy yourself in the market, and trade as a beginner, and also know how to know that I have not taught you when to sell. Okay, I only said you should wait about 10. When you have gotten maybe 10 or 5% in profit, you can actually decide to let go of that crypto. Okay, because you don't have to wait till the end. Also, I've not taught you any financial management skill, so you have to understand that there might still be risks even if you are using it from day to day. Okay, you just have to know how to be smart about it. This is one other strategy you can use to trade with your phone. If you love this phone series, you want me to share how you can trade with your phone more and more and more, give this video a like, and of course I will be bringing them to your screens. For now, I'll see you on another one. Do have a very wonderful day. See you again tomorrow.